I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics. Make sure your device has at least 20% battery and a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection so the update won't fail. Once done, sync or backup DAW-Fit data to the cloud. This preserves settings and fitness history. Now open your App Store, search for DAW-Fit, and tap Update if visible. You do this first because installing without backup or a solid connection risks data loss or interrupted installation, so be proactive and careful. You tap Update and monitor the download. Keep the store app open and avoid switching networks mid-download. Once installation completes, open DAW-Fit and accept any permission prompts. Location and Bluetooth are common and necessary for syncing. If the app asks to update companion firmware, follow that prompt. The watch and phone need matching versions. Make sure to stay on the same Wi-Fi or cellular signal until syncing finishes, because interrupted pairing is the most frequent mid-process problem. You finish by opening DAW-Fit, checking that settings, watch faces, and activity history synced correctly, test notifications, and a quick sync to ensure everything works. If the app crashes or misbehaves, clear its cache or reinstall from the store. That often resolves corrupted update files. If pairing problems continue, toggle Bluetooth, restart both devices, then repair through the app settings. This resets the connection. One key tip: reboot both devices before deeper troubleshooting. It fixes most lingering update issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.